Audrey. We're not getting out just yet. Mummy's just going to go. Hello creative souls, and welcome to this week's video. It's a beautiful sunny spring day, so Audrey and I have packed up Birdie and we're going off to the coast for the day. So stick around where there'll be some Birdie time, some Audrey time, and hopefully some time to do some art. So I'm just going along the coast road. I don't know if you can see in the background. That is Chesil Beach and the sea, and there's sheep and lambs in there. So we've just stopped very quick.
Average speed zone ahead.
Oh, that's Waze in the background if that came out on the video. But it's just a beautiful day. I'm just going to jump out and show you the sheeps. Okay, Audrey, we're not getting out just yet. Mummy's just going to go and look at the sheep. She's got wool stuck on her face. Oh dear. What have you got stuck on your face? Well, we've arrived and we found a good spot right at the front of the car park. Audrey's behind me. She's not very keen this morning, but she knows that she's got chicken in the van for her lunch. Not spoiled at all. But I'll turn you around so you can see the view. So I haven't bothered bringing my art stuff out with me now, still in the van. Just taking Audrey for a little walk, taking some photos, and then what we'll do is head back to the van for a cup of tea, and I might do some artwork. But the sea is just such a beautiful colour, and there's like these plants, they almost look like cabbages. I'll show you a photograph and let me know what it is. So this is the plant that's sort of in the pebbles. Looks like cabbage or kale. I need to look this one up. Where are you, Mordies? Oh, there you are. So we made it back to the van. It got quite hot and it's extremely windy out there. Hence the wonderful hair. Audrey's had her lunch, but I'm just going to show you this little fan I got for Birdie. I got one for Vincent as well. We're due to go away this weekend to test out Vincent, but this little fan is just ideal in the cabin when you're parked up. Let me turn it around for all those people out there that like camper vanning. So there it is. It literally clips up onto this handle here, and you've got 3 different speeds depending on how hot it is, and you can charge it up on your USB. I've got power in here for 3 days off grid, so that's not bad. Audrey's down here, she's just had her lunch, and I'm just going to make a cup of tea and have mine. I've been watching a lady called Bev who is, she's got a micro camper called Dotty, and so I get a lot of top tips from her, and she uses these little milk sachets for her tea and coffee, so I've got myself some, so that's what I'm going to use, and it saves me on like short trips out doing the fridge. I was just going to show you very quickly the view. That's not bad, isn't it gorgeous? Right, I thought I would quickly show you what I've got in my little birdie bag, because I brought my art stuff with me. I might do a quick sketch, but to be perfectly honest with you, I'm getting a bit tired. Audrey's getting a bit hot. I am sucking on a sweet at the moment, so excuse that. I should have taken it out really, shouldn't I? I've got my book. I have got my microphone, which I'm not wearing. I've got a pair of binoculars. It's great for bird spotting down here. In here, I just bought my whole box of Neocolor 2s. I would open it for you, but I just can't because I'm doing it one-handed. Bottle of water for paintbrushes. I've got my Viviva colours travel kit. I've done various videos on this, so you can go back and see that. You've got your sketch pad in there. You've got your Viviva colour sheets and a water brush. I have got in here a water-based pen, black ink, and my Pentel Milky brush. Then I have bought my Sea White's travel journal. This is a new one. This is an A4 one. I bought my colour palettes book because I might sit and have a little look at that. I bought my copper dowsing rods as well. I'm very much into my dowsing rods at the moment. If you use dowsing rods, or if you know of anyone that does, let me know in the comments, but I find them absolutely fascinating. Right, hang on, let me just balance this so I can get two hands. I got this big pencil case, may have been in Hamburg, and in here I've got a pencil case with a couple of water brushes, some acrylic markers, a black ink pen, Uniball I think that is, white gouache, a wax crayon. I've also bought my Arrtx palette, which has got my water brush in there and my travel brush. Absolutely love this palette. I've got my viewfinder. I've got a white tempera stick, and I have got my sketchbook. So I think I'm going to just sit here and do a quick sketch, because I would like to do some art as I've made the effort to pack this. And Audrey sort of settled down for a little afternoon sleep. Okay, so I got a few art materials out ready to go. I'm not going to bother getting the table out. I've just got this little pull out ledge here, because Audrey's having a rest. There's really not room to be able to pull the table out. This is the advantage of the VW T7, is that it's just easier to manoeuvre in the van, which I will share Vincent with you after the weekend, but I've literally got a Caran d'Ache Neocolor 1 in Payne's Grey, and this is going to be really, really rough. Okay, and I think I'm going to speed you up for it. So it's a little bit challenging because I'm balancing this on my knee. I've got the first layer down. I use Neocolor 2's initial sketch with the Neocolor 1 and the I can never ever say it, what are they called, Viviva, which are highly pigmented. That's my first layer, and I'm just going to go over the top now with some Arrtx acrylic markers. Okay, so I think I'm going to finish it there. My little studio on wheels. Audrey's getting quite hot now. It was just a quick piece of artwork. It seemed a shame to bring all my art stuff and be in such a beautiful location and not actually do any art. So we're done. We hope you've enjoyed spending the afternoon with us. And as ever, I'd just like to say thank you for watching.